Wolf Creek Pass is a legendary stretch of American highway going over the Continental Divide located on Highway 160 between South Fork and Pagosa Springs. The pass is known for its alpine beauty and its notorious reputation among drivers and truckers for its sheer white-knuckle steep grades and tight switchbacks. The Northern Colorado IMRG crew often traverses this pass when going to and from Durango. This video was filmed traveling in a northerly direction towards South Fork as we headed home from the Durango Rendezvous. Going in this direction is a completely different and much more forgiving experience than heading toward Pagosa Springs, where you get the full brunt of Wolf Creek's legendary drama. When heading towards South Fork, you aren't fighting gravity down a relentless 6.8% grade. Instead, you get to enjoy the summit views without white-knuckling your handlebars the whole way down. In short, going toward Pagosa Springs is the thrill ride. Going towards South Fork is the scenic victory lap. On this day, it was pretty cloudy with the threat of rain looming overhead. Fortunately, we didn't encounter any rain, and though it was cloudy, the pass was still scenic and fun to ride as we traveled at a leisurely pace with little traffic. Going through the avalanche snow shed structure was a little bit disorienting as it quickly darkened, hiding the slightly sharper than expected bend. The Wolf Creek Pass Tunnel was temporarily closed with a bypass detour in place. Taking this open-air bypass actually offered a much more scenic view of the surrounding mountains than driving through the dark tunnel. Wolf Creek Pass always delivers one way or another, whether it's conquering twisties or soaking in the high altitude views. Until the next adventure, keep the shiny side up and the rubber side down. Thanks for riding along with the Northern Colorado IMRG.